Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Realme 11 Pro Plus device. Yes friends, finally I did get hands-on with the Realme 11 Pro Plus, and in this video I'm going to do the quick unboxing about the Realme 11 Pro Plus device. And right now I do have the Realme 10 Pro Plus device with me, and this is a Realme 11 Pro Plus. And let me do the quickly unboxing of this device, and I'll try to show you what are the contents you can actually get inside this box of the Realme 11 Pro Plus. So let me do the quick unboxing of this device. As you can see friends, this is a Realme 11 Pro Plus device which I got right now. And now let me show you exactly the phone color model which I've ordered. So the Realme 11 Pro Plus, which has got the Dimensity 7050 processor in this device, and this is a variant which I've ordered, the green color, as you can see friends. So these are the green color looks like, and the back panel feels really very good, which has got the premium kind of leather finish to this device. That's pretty good and very lightweight as well. This is overall Realme 11 Pro Plus. Let me quickly take out the sticker, and we do have the 100 watts of charger inbuilt, as you can see. Superbook charger. Let me slightly focus. 100 watts, and this phone has got the 200 megapixel camera on the back, as you can see friends. So 200 megapixel main camera, along with that 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel macro lens, and 4K 30 fps the phone can actually record. And the display is of 6.7 inches screen size, and there will be a 120 Hz refresh rate, along with that close to 1000 nits of peak brightness levels in this device. And the processor is of Dimensity 7050, which will be present in this Realme 11 Pro Plus, and 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 100 watts of fast charging. So I'm definitely interested to do more and more side-by-side comparison with the Realme 10 Pro Plus versus Realme 11 Pro Plus. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the Realme 11 Pro Plus device as well. And let me quickly show you what are the other contents you do get inside the box, about the case and everything. So right now we do get the clear case, as you can see. This is a clear transparent case which we got along with the device, and which fits pretty good. But overall I did like this kind of leather finish on the back panel, which will definitely give you the premium experience while you're trying to hold the device. And overall the display is also curved display. So this is a Realme 11 Pro Plus device, curved display, which you can definitely see here. And there will be in-display fingerprint scanner as well for this Realme 11 Pro Plus. So meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below friends what are the videos you want me to upload on the Realme 11 Pro Plus. And this is the quick initial impressions about the Realme 11 Pro Plus, and I'll definitely create the separate playlist for this device, and check the links in description for more details. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.